Lesson 5. Writing Feasibility Report. Activity: BIZ Meeting. Instructions: divide the class into 2 groups to perform a business meeting role play. Every members of the group will collaborate among each other to come up with a business report about any product to launch. Assign a member to be the discussant.
Objectives: at the end of the lesson, you should be able to know what feasibility report is, determine the content of a feasibility report, identify the steps in writing a feasibility report, and demonstrate skills in presenting a feasibility report in the class.
It is the primordial mindset of any businessman to know the success of any new product or service, purchasing equipment, etc. at first. To help them achieve these interests, they need to check a feasibility report. A feasibility report presents evidence about the practicality of a proposed project based on a specific criteria. A feasibility report is also known as a recommendation report if it stresses specific steps that should be taken as a result of a study of a problem or an issue. These are the guidelines in writing a feasibility report. Format in writing feasibility report. Introduction. In this part, you have to state the purpose of the report, describes the circumstances that led to the report, and includes any pertinent background information. You may also include the scope of the report, any procedural methods used in the analysis of alternatives, and any limitations of the study. Body. The body of the report presents a detailed review of the alternatives for achieving the goals of the project. Examine each option according to specific criteria, such as cost and financing, availability of the staff, and other relevant requirements, identifying the subsections with headings to guide readers. Conclusion. The conclusion interprets the available options and leads to one option as the best or most feasible. Recommendation. The recommendation section clearly presents the writer's or a team's opinion on which alternative best meets the criteria as summarized in the conclusion. Application. Instructions. Write a sample of a feasibility report about a product or service of a certain organization or company. Try to apply the guidelines and steps when constructing a feasibility report.